have done in this chapter? You already know this chapter is all about, this one is the first page, but you can say that this one is the end of the chapter. है ना? Climax that I have told you. So what is going on in this chapter? 11 years child, that his name was Helmut, and what he has done? For how many years? 9 years. Just because of the affair in the, that was a, means he was so scared. What was the prevail in the Germany? Okay, because you already familiar that we are talking about the genocide. Genocide, that means the particular group in the Germany, basically the Jews, okay, Gypsies, and the German, those who are physically and mentally they are handicapped. They are putting them into the gas chamber, and they are thinking that this one is the last solution for them. The reason is that why they are thinking like this. Okay, the reason behind it, there are so many reasons. They are blaming Jews, that Jews are basically responsible for the First World War, and whatever they have faced the loss in the First World War, it is just because of the Jews. Are you getting me? Getting me or not? Okay. Then we are having the Gypsies. They were also a different race in the Germany, and they are also not feeling that they are physically and mentally well. Okay. They are having the racial discrimination against them. Even in the school also, they are not treating them equally. Those child basically belongs from the Jews or from the Gypsies. They are basically separated, and they are not allowed to sit with the general people of the Germany. Okay, they are sitting aside. It means they are like they are having the policy of untouchability regarding it. As this one is the social condition. You can think about the education system also with that. सोच सकते हो ना? सोच सकते हो? Social है, economics है. And after that, one of the supporter, he was basically the propaganda of the Nazism. He has committed the suicide with his whole family members. Because why they are thinking? Because whatever they have done, the practice, okay, genocide, that we have done use the particular word, genocide. They are killing the Jews, Gypsies, and the German, basically those who are physically and mentally they are handicapped. Just think about it. If any person who is not physically well, okay, they belong to any group. Okay, if they are the Nazis also, they are not supposed to be killed. Because what Hitler wants, he wants the person who is very bold and very physically and mentally they are treated. Can you tell me why they are thinking for like this? Hitler ऐसा क्यों सोचता था? Just think about it. Yes?
He thought like this because he thought that those who are disabled, they cannot fight in wars.
Very good.
They are not useful.
Very good. बहुत अच्छे. See here, if you think about political, okay, if you will think about the political, you can talk about the defense. Defense, okay. If a country defense power is strong, then only they are supposed to win any war, and they feel secure also. है ना? Right now we are taking the class, and with very peaceful manner, we have to thank to our soldiers and all. That's why we are taking class very peacefully these days. है ना? इसीलिए ले रहा है ना? Otherwise, so many issues were going on the border side. It is very difficult to survive there. They are living in -25 or 35 Celsius temperature. Okay, so he is also having the same ideology. Now, we are moving with the second point, that is the Treaty of Versailles. Treaty of Versailles is very important. What is that? क्या है Treaty of Versailles? You have understood about the climax. This one is the end of the chapter. ठीक है, वो खत्म हो गया. Chapter खत्म हो गया. From the first page, the chapter is over. Clear? Now we are moving with the reason. अब पूरी movies के अंदर आ रहे हैं. What is going on really? है ना? क्या हो रहा है basically? Here we have talked about the Treaty of Versailles. Can anyone tell me about the Treaty of Versailles? Yes, once.
Ma'am, Treaty of
Sit
Versailles
and speak. हाँ.
was held in, ma'am, it was done in the place called Versailles. And ma'am, in that treaty, they told that 30% of the territory of Germany, then 75% iron, and 26%.
Hold on. That means Treaty of Versailles, when Germany, they have lost the First World War. हार गए? Okay? Those who were the winner power, Okay, they are putting compensation. Okay, आप हार गए हो तो आपको ये सारी territories 80% around from your coal mine and everything you are supposed to give to whom? To the allied powers. Those who won the war. Okay, now he is once he is going to tell. Just read that paragraph. He is going to tell you which areas and the which provision they have given to the allied power. Okay, yes.
This
Underline this. This one is very important. Yes.
This with the allies was of its territories.
Very good.
75% of its iron and 26% of its coal to France, Poland, Denmark, and Lithuania.
France, Poland, Denmark. Yes.
So, ma'am, in First World War, Russia and America was also there. So, why didn't they send it to them?
Well, yes.
Ma'am, in Allied power.
Yes. That is the thing. Suppose those who are the winner, okay, and those who are already supreme, what they want? They don't believe in the coins money. Okay, they are having 2,000 rupees in their hand. But they will worry about the 10 rupees or 50 rupees. Are you getting me? So those countries basically in the allied group, those who won the war, basically जो थोड़े से those who are little bit poor and those who are having this already their economic is not stable. Economical system is not stable. They are trying to give the areas that are won by the allied power to those countries, those who are little bit poor. Are you getting me?
Yes.
So that's why they have done. Now the thing is the Treaty of Versailles you have understood. Okay? It is all about the compensation. Okay? When we are having any war, we are going to, you can say that one is the loser and one is going to be the winner. यही होता है. But even when those who are the loser and those who are the winner, somewhere they are losing their property, somewhere they are losing the mankind. है ना? सब कुछ lose करेंगे ही करेंगे. And we have seen the one chapter in grade, if you remember 6, the war of Kalinga, Asoka, the war of Kalinga. If you remember, he won the battle, but even then he has realized that he has lost the battle because everywhere people have cried and no one is alive. So what is the use of that victory? जब कोई है ही नहीं जिंदा और हम जीत गए. So what is the use of that victory? Okay, so that is the thing. Now the Treaty of Versailles. This is the very important factor that led to the rise of the Second World War. ये याद रखो. From the here only the factors begin. We are thinking कि when we have started our notebook, we will start from the one sentence. We are writing the subject and then we will start. And at end of the year we are having 2 history notebook or 3 notebook. ऐसे हो जाते हैं. Okay, so this one is the one major cause for the Second World War. यहाँ से ये स्टार्ट हुआ. फर्स्ट लाइन जो होती है ना किसी चीज की, ये स्टार्ट हुआ. एंड दिस इज आल्सो कंट्रीब्यूटेड फॉर द सेकंड वर्ल्ड वॉर. ये याद रखना. ट्रीटी ऑफ वर्साइल इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इट्स अ वेरी सिंपल कॉन्सेप्ट. बहुत सिंपल है. ठीक है ना? नाउ आफ्टर दिस फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर, वन थिंग इज नॉट देयर इन टेक्स्ट बुक बट फॉर योर नॉलेज ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, आफ्टर दैट ऑल कंट्रीज बेसिकली they don't want that in future we are not going to have any war. So they have formed one league, that is League of Nations. Okay? And in that League of Nations, all countries they have signed that treaty. Yes, we are not supposed to fight any war in future. So, but what was happened that again we are having the Second World War. That means somewhere you can say that League was successful or the failure.
Failure.
Why it is the failure?
Ma'am, because it didn't manage.
What?
Ma'am, it didn't work properly to manage the war.
Okay, that means the Second World War is the only reason. If there is the Second World War, that's why it was a failure. Second World War हो गया ना? And after that Second World War, we are having the same organization that is working like as the League of Nations only. What was the name of that nation? Organization?
United Nations.
UN. Very good. United Nations. ठीक है? UNO. United Nations of Organization. ठीक है? This one is also working to maintain the peace in whole world. Until now, what do you say? That organization is successful organization or the failure?
Successful.
Why?
World War II.
Just raise your hand, then speak. है ना? Yes, Malal.
It is successful because there has not been a very big war after the World War II, after the formation of the United Nations.
United Nations. Okay, very good. Yeah, it is a successful organization because the objective, the mission, the goal is based on in the future there is no world war. Okay, so कोई war ही नहीं हुआ. That means it's a successful organization. Today also the countries are today if you think regarding the relation of the Pakistan or the China, they are basically these issues are discussed in the UNO. India never ever want to have a war. We always believe in the peace. है ना, and we want to sit and have a meeting and come with the conclusion. Sit on the table, have a conference, okay, and talk to you about the whatever the problems that you people are facing and we are facing, and have a word with them and come to the proper conclusion instead of having the war and all. That means United Nations is a successful organization. Now the second one is the formation of Weimar Republic. ऐसा क्या हुआ कि the Weimar Republic was established, formed in Germany. ये है क्या? Weimar Republic है क्या? What is this? है क्या बेटा? Who will tell?
Federal and democratic.
Federal and democratic. इतना अच्छा इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बना, इतना अच्छा गवर्नमेंट बना, but why this one is again the failure? It is not supported by the people of Germany, and why it led to the rise of the Hitler? ऐसा क्या हो गया? जब everything is based on democratic, you can see that in France also they are fighting against the monarchy rule. लड़ रहे थे ना monarchy rule के लिए, and after that they want what type of system? Federal democratic form of system. तो यहाँ तो already means after First World War was over, and after that they are having the Weimar Republic. Weimar Republic को बहुत simple तरीके से समझो. It is a national assembly, okay, or called as a parliament. बस ठीक है ना? ये गवर्नमेंट होता है वहाँ का, right? But the ideology is very good. Federalism है. They are talking about the democratic. They are talking about the fundamental rights. They are talking about the liberty. They are talking about you can enjoy your life. हाँ? Equality. तो ऐसा क्या हो गया? That led to the rise of Hitler. जब सब कुछ अच्छा था, everything was fine, सब कुछ बहुत अच्छा था, है ना? हमारी रिपब्लिक हुआ, people are getting the universal adult franchise also, they have given the choice to elect their government, सब कुछ था, but क्या हुआ ऐसा? Even then it is not supported, and again the rise of Hitler. Who will tell? सोचो इसको. It is like a movie only. Yes?
He lost many things like their overseas colonies,
Yes.
of territories, and other many
Excellent.
more things, and even 16 million pounds of compensation. So
Excellent.
many Germans they thought that Weimar Republic was reason for this. So then they were not supporting and opposing the Weimar Republic. So this
Excellent.
resulted in the rise of Hitler.
Yes, very true. Excellent answer. See, if government of any country, they are signing a treaty and they are telling, okay, 80% of my provision you will take. How can the people will be happy? आज के डेट में just think about for a minute, कितना गुस्सा लगेगा कि इंडिया पाकिस्तान को दे देता है, कश्मीर को दे देता है. You are going to accept? Just think about the people that 80% provisions or the industries there that are given to the allied group. And this treaty is basically signed by the Weimar Republic. उन्होंने इसको साइन किया था. After the First World War, what happened? They were having a monarchy rule. हाँ, वहाँ भी राजा महाराजा थे. ठीक है, but after that क्या हुआ? First World War, he has left out because nothing was there. कुछ भी बचा नहीं था. He has left out, and after that, this Weimar Republic was formed. That is basically based on the democratic and the federalism. What is federalism? 10th में एक चैप्टर ही है फेडरलिज्म का. एक पूरा सिविक्स में चैप्टर है फेडरलिज्म का. फेडरलिज्म है क्या? मैंने पढ़ाया भी है सिविक्स में. नहीं याद रहता है? फेडरलिज्म फ्रेंडली, एफ से स्टार्ट है, फ्रेंड है. ठीक है ना? इतना तो याद रहेगा ना. फेडरलिज्म फ्रेंड से एफ है, याद रखना. ठीक है? एफ आर इतना आता है ना, आगे एफ आर आई एन डी लगा देता तो फ्रेंड फेडरलिज्म कर लेना. ठीक है? फ्रेंड है. That means in our country, what type of system we are having? We are having unitary as well federalism. We are having the decentralization also. जैसे हम लोग बात करते हैं ना सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट है, देन स्टेट गवर्नमेंट है, देन थ्री टायर लेवल है ना हमारा, 3 लेवल है, सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट, स्टेट गवर्नमेंट एंड देन लोकल लेवल, 3 है ना. तो सेम वे one is not concentrated all the power in our hand. Take a simple example. In our school, our principal sir is here. He is able to teach all the classes. He is able to teach. Try to maintain the all means you can say that buses and everything. It is possible for him? No. What he has done? He has appointed teachers. So that what happened? The power is somewhere decentralized. We are also enjoying some power. है ना? But our power is always for the welfare of the student, and government their power is always for the welfare of the country, है ना. सबको पावर मिला है, बट उसको अच्छे के लिए हमें यूज करना है. Are you getting me? So federalism is it's a friendly relation that is formed between this all 3 level of the government. ठीक है, एक healthy relation develop हो. Okay, in our school these are also important. जितने प्रिंसिपल्स आर इम्पोर्टेंट है, द सेम वे द दीजीज आर इम्पोर्टेंट, द सेम वे द टीचर्स आर इम्पोर्टेंट, एवरीवन इज इम्पोर्टेंट विद देयर एरिया, है ना. सब लोग इम्पोर्टेंट है. जितना इम्पोर्टेंट प्राइम मिनिस्टर है उतने ही हमारे पंचायती राज के सरपंच ये लोग भी उतने ही इम्पोर्टेंट है ना. सब लोग अपने अपने जगह पे इम्पोर्टेंट है. एसएमसी है, दे आर वर्किंग अ लॉट फॉर अस. ड्रेनेज का प्रॉब्लम है, हु विल डू दिस ऑल थिंग्स? प्राइम मिनिस्टर, यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू मेक अ कॉल टू द प्राइम मिनिस्टर for that. You can simply call SMC for that. ठीक है ना. तो इस तरीके का ये सब कुछ था, but even then people are not happy just because the Myanmar Republic they have signed the Treaty of Versailles. Are you getting me? That's why people are not supporting, and this is the reason that led to the rise of the Hitler. Are you getting me? ये reason था that gave the rise to the Hitler. उसको start किया है. Okay. And there is so many things you already know that there is a US Great Depression. What was that? क्या है?
US.
हाँ, economic depression आया था. What was that?
Ma'am, effects of war.
हाँ. One paragraph is there. I think in one page there is a.
Ma'am, about November 10. Yes.
What was that? क्या था वो? ऐसा क्या आया था?
Ma'am, due to Versailles, Germany lost its most of economy. That's why, ma'am, people consider that Weimar supporters of Weimar Republic, then socialist, Catholic, and Democrats as November criminals.
And what was the economic depression? ऐसा क्या आ गया था economic depression में? हाँ? National income become? हाँ. Okay, बहुत अच्छे point, बहुत अच्छा. Yes.
And also the mark currency in Germany, they printed so much paper currency that it fell so much that $1 was equal to 24,000 marks, and it further fell to trillions.
Okay. Or anyone speak? You are having the textbook and use your book. आपकी बुक है, you can utilize it. जैसे यूज करना है, write down the bullet points, write down the main points. ये सब यूज करो बुक को जितना अच्छा यूज करोगे. You are having the side by side that given the space also. इसलिए दिया जाता है ये सब space, so that you can write it down your bullet point, main point for that. और क्या था? Economic depression. और क्या था? Yes.
In US in Wall Street Exchange, it crashed in 1929.
What was the exchange name?
Wall Street Exchange.
Wall Street Exchange.
Yes, ma'am.
That is very important.
On one single day, 24th October, 13 million shares were sold. This was the start of great economic
Yes.
depression.
What happens when the country is not going to be stable? You already know the situation. I have already told you. Those who won the war, जो जीतता है वो भी सफर करता है, जो हारता है वो तो सफर करता ही करता है. Okay. Loss is from both the sides. ठीक है. Only the tax that you won the war and they have lost the war. ठीक है. So here what happened when all the money basically involved in the war, what type of situation began? Even all the European countries, they are taking loan from the America, and the America also, USA also, their economy is very fall down. It is around some half of the economy is fall down. अगर 1000 rupees की कमाई होती थी, it's gone to the 500. Okay, and other countries, those who are dependent with the America, basically taking the loans and all, they are also fall down because America is not in. You can say that स्टेबिलिटी इज बिल्ड ऑन द सैंड। इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? स्टेबिलिटी इज बिल्ड ऑन द सैंड। सोचो, one waves of the ocean come, it will be destroyed, right? So that type of stability was made in the world, and that will not work because they have gone for the Treaty of Versailles. ठीक है, those who have lost, they are trying to give them provinces and all, factories and all, but it will not work. Okay, because America, they are also not sustain the heat of this economic depression was going on, and all the economy was basically collapsed. Again, people were not happy of the Germany, है ना? Because people, they are not having the job. There is unemployment, there is the poverty, there is the corruption. People are they don't have any work to do. They are dying. So again, the people were not happy with the Weimar Republic. वो कोई खुश नहीं है। खुश नहीं होगा तो क्या करेंगे? What they will do? Yes, Shreya, speak. Chapter will be very easy. थोड़ा सोचेंगे ना तो we will get more things. Okay. We will oppose the system. Okay. We are going for the strike. Okay. And we are thinking to have such type of government in our country that whatever the problem that we are facing, it is going to be suddenly it will be solved. है ना? They will think for the solution. है ना? And after that, if any party is started that the idea of Nazism, okay, Nazis party is basically of the Hitler party, but his three name is there of the Hitler party. What was the three name? तीन नाम था नाजी पार्टी आने से पहले दो नाम और था इसका. He has renamed that party name. What was the name? क्या नाम था? Go through with the textbook.
Workers' Party, then he renamed it to National Socialist German Workers' Party, and then he renamed again to Nazi Party.
Are you getting me? Repeat it again and all of you write it down. Malhar, repeat it.
Yes, ma'am. I mean, 1919, he joined the party German Workers' Party.
German Workers' Party. Okay. Then second one.
And then he wrote in ranks, and then he renamed it to National Socialist German Workers' Party.
National Socialist German Workers' Party. Chalo. The third one is the Nazist Party. So you will not supposed to get confused in MCQ basically. ये तीनों नाम कहाँ से आए, क्यों आए? Okay, the thing is very clear to you. Okay, this is the Nazis party. The Nazism is the ideology, the psychology, the philosophy, the mission, the goal, the objective of any party. ठीक है, उसी को Nazism बोलते थे, and they are very cruel. ठीक है ना? मैंने आप लोगों को बताया था what type of genocide. Genocide, you have to remember this word, है ना? Genocide. What they were doing with the Jews, they were doing with the Gypsies, and they were doing with the Germans. Those who are physically, mentally, and emotionally they are handicapped. They are thinking they are only the burden for the country. Better kill them. That is only the solution for them. ये सोचता था कि वही solution है, kill them. That is only the solution. इसके बाद कोई solution ही नहीं है उनके लिए. And in your textbook one you can see the gas chamber is there. It is like a train, railway. Train bogies like. It is like a goods train like structure. Which page number, beta? 63. Just see this page. One photo is given on your textbook. Just see. This one is the gas chamber basically. They are putting all the Jews, Gypsies, and those who are the German, those who are physically and the mentally, those who are the handicapped. They are putting them into and releasing the gas, and within 2-3 minutes they die. Just think about the Nazism. How cruel they were. थे ना cruel, बहुत ज़्यादा cruel थे. Don't you think so? Now we are moving with the education. What type of education was there in the Germany? कैसा था? अच्छा, education से तो पहले birth होना चाहिए ना बच्चे का? So you tell me what type of system was there? Yes, Shruti?
The system was like the mothers who had more sons, they were awarded with gold, silver, and bronze medal, and mothers who were racially undesirable sons, they were punished.
They were punished. That type of system was there. Just think about the motherhood is also like this way. This is the philosophy of the Nazism. If they are giving birth to the healthy and the wealthy child, they are going to be rewarded. और अगर ऐसा लग रहा है कि this child is in future they are not going to do anything, from that we can identify a child? I never think so. I have seen that who are very thin, but even then after means 6 months they are very fit and well. Okay, this type of thing were going on. And they don't like that type of kids also. They are putting them in the gas chamber and then kill them. That is only for the solution. Those who are handicapped, physically, mentally, fine. Just think about what type of scenario was going on. एक बार को सोचो तो लगता है कि what was the Hitler. That's why Hitler is very popular. अगर आप लोग नहीं भी पढ़े थे ये चैप्टर, बट हम बोलते थे in our childhood also. Don't be like a Hitler. बोलते हैं कि नहीं? That's why we are speaking about. Don't be like a Hitler. Hitler हो क्या? ऐसे बोलते हैं ना, कभी-कभी ऐसे उदाहरण भी देते हैं, एग्जाम्पल देते हैं. हिटलर की तरह क्यों बन रही हो? Hitler was like that. But who will tell कि ऐसा क्यों कर रहा था वो? During this age, what they will do? During that age, what they will do? Who will tell me? Yes, once. बोलो.
Ma'am, those who were 10-year-old had to enter the Zungwalk, and ma'am,
What was that?
Ma'am, it was the youth group of the Nazis for children who were under the 14 years.
Under the 14 years, they have started making an organization for them. They are trying to give the training that is basically based on the military training. Okay, then?
Ma'am, at 14, the children of age 14 had to join the Nazi youth organization.
At the age of 14, what they are supposed to join? Nazi youth organization. Okay, then?
And ma'am, at the age of 18, they joined the military training camp or ma'am to fought against the war.
Okay, 18 years, forces, है ना? So just think about what type of education they were having and what type of education we are having. है ना? Their first and the last motto is to expand their military. जितना पावरफुल होंगे उतना हम क्या करेंगे ये बताओ. मेरी मिलिट्री बहुत स्ट्रांग हो गई हिटलर की. Then what he will do? बहुत स्ट्रांग हो गई मिलिट्री. अब क्या करेंगे?
Win the war.
Trying to win the war. But किससे?
Allies.
Allies से. Okay. So 2 things were going on. You have to understand. ये बहुत simple है. This one is the end of the chapter also. बहुत simple है. This one is your Germany. This one is your Germany. ठीक है, यहाँ Germany है. All of you go through with the world map also. And beta, let me to tell you, purchase one India's physical, political map and world map, and hang it in your room. And whenever you are watching TV or movie here and there, for a minute just go through it. इसको रटना नहीं है. If you are doing brush करते करते ऐसे देख लो 2 मिनट में. ठीक है? You are talking to your friends, बात करते करते बस ऐसे देख लो. Within 1 month you are going to remember all the names in the map. अभी आप when you are coming to the school तो ऐसा होता है कि we are giving you the list of the 45 students and remember the name. Jia, you are new ना? Is it possible to you? If I will give you the all name of your classmates in a list and I will tell you remember the name, you will feel good? हाँ? तुरंत नहीं होगा. But you are here only and you are talking with your friend. Within month you will remember all their names. Is it possible? The same way you will do. Hang the map. रोज ब्रश करते हुए फोन में 2 मिनट को बात करिए. अच्छा हाँ ठीक है. Just go through with that. देख लोगे 1 सेकंड में सब याद हो जाएगा. Okay? That is the trick to remember the map. रख लो, हैंग कर लो घर में, ऐसे बात करते करते घूमते टहलते एक बार बस। 10th में इतना इजी हो जाएगा मैथ की, ऐसे ही कर लोगे फटाफट। आर यू गेटिंग मी? तो जो गैप हुआ है उसको फिल करो। ये फिल कैसे होगा? ऐसे होगा, ठीक है। हैंग इट, हैंग कर लो, यूज हो जाए। Who will be in the western front? वेस्टर्न फ्रंट में कौन होगा? वेस्टर्न फ्रंट में who will be there in the western front? Okay. And who will be in the eastern front?
Poland.
Okay. Eastern front. Already Germany, they have occupied the areas of the Poland and they have started dividing amongst themselves. ठीक है? Germany, they have already started occupying the areas of Poland. Poland ये सब का एरिया जो है they have started capturing. It is almost captured by the Germany. ठीक है? Now in this side they are having the war from against the Britain and France. That means if you will think, just think about this one is the Germany, and here we are having the war with here, and these areas are occupied. Okay, and again in the western front, Germany, they are having the war with the Britain, and they are having the war from the France. Just think about his condition. Now he is becoming sandwich or not? Don't you think so? In this side, here he is having the war, चल रहा है war, and here they have occupied the areas of the Poland. Somewhere he is very, you can say that very comfortable zone. But what the mistake he has done? What type of mistake he has done here? क्या ऐसी गलती की that Germany lost the Second World War? He attacked on,
Ma'am, he told Japan to support him.
he attacked on, कैसे कहाँ अटैक किया था वो बताओ मुझे. He attacked on, and you know about that reason. These reason are very big reason. बहुत बड़ा area है, and these so many areas are means they are not fruitful. That is the fruitless area. Okay, they are very unfertile areas because that areas are basically covered with the snow. So we cannot use that area for the agriculture production or anything. Okay, it's like a wasteland. But even then, that land belongs to the USSR. They started war with the USSR. What was the army of the USSR that are involved with the war of the Germany? What was the army? आर्मी का नाम क्या था? ढूंढो बुक में.
Power.
नहीं.